All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're talking about how to generate tags for your videos, because it's not always obvious how to go about figuring out what tags to use, and also, like, what are some ways to generate ideas if you're not sure. So in the previous video that I did, I talked about how to look at how other people do tags. You just grab their URL for one of their videos that's similar to one that you want to make, and then you throw it into a tag extractor, which is just a free website that are a dime a dozen on the internet, and they'll tell you what other people use. But I'll tell you what my methodology is. So coming up, I've got a video coming out for how to edit your Steam profiles. And so what you want to do is that's a good tagline right there for your keyword, is say how to edit a Steam profile. And there's really three places that your tags exist. They exist in your title. Think about the title of your video as one big tag. And then they exist in all of the information that you write in your video description. Be as descriptive as you possibly can and throw as many terms as you can in there. Tell people down to the little nitty-gritty details what exactly it is you're doing in your video, why you're doing it, and who it's for. That's a really easy way to do it, and that's a good way to start thinking about what sort of tags to put into your tag section. So for this, it's made by me, Larry Chupacabra. It's on the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. It's a tutorial, it's a guide, it's an instructional video, it's educational. These are all the first tags I would set as defaults for every one of the videos on my tutorial channel. The second thing is I'm talking about how to edit your Steam profile, how to customize it. It's the Steam-powered platform. It's made by Valve. It's animated icons, animated backgrounds, how to customize it with Steam points to buy some of those animated icons on Steam. And then how to get Steam points is something I talk about. How to get animated avatars, animated emojis, how to handle Steam security settings, how to handle profile security, who can view your profile, and who can customize the showcases that people can see only specific things I want them to see on that profile. Those are all things that I physically did. Those are all things that you should tell people via your tags. Just think about, if you were looking for this video, what would you type into the search bar? So as a way to get some ideas, you can look up on Google YouTube tag generators, and this will try to help you figure out, by looking at what other people are tagging on their videos, just in general on YouTube, it'll try to give you an idea of related tags that will help you to tag your videos. So let's see, let's say we're editing a Steam profile. So let's find some YouTube tags based on that in this taggenerator.net profile. And so what we have here is can't edit Steam profile, edit Steam profile background, how to edit Steam profile, how to edit Steam profile background. So it looks like I'm not too far off from what I'm trying to do. And there's a bunch of different tools that you can find, like I used this one before in the previous video, that you can use to kind of generate some ideas. So let's say edit Steam profile, and let's see what this one says. This one says something similar: how to edit Steam profile background, edit the layout, layout's good. How to edit layout. I didn't think about that one. Can't edit Steam profile, so there's an error that happens here that I could possibly make a tutorial on later. And these are all pretty much what I had before. Although I could say the year, how to edit Steam profile 2021. So it kind of dates it, but people like to have the most up-to-date tutorial when they make stuff. So that's a good idea for me. And there's a lot of different tools that might give you different results when you look stuff up. Let's say edit Steam profile. And decorate. That's true. This is decorating. So by going to multiple different sites, I can actually, even for my own video that I already have scheduled to post, I'm finding new ideas right now for things that I could do here. And these are all free. Like, most of these are things that you can get a lot of ideas for free. You can go through like 5 or 6 of them in about a minute, get a bunch of ideas, and then you can just copy and paste the ones that you like and the ones that you feel like you need, and then go about your day. So these are really strong tools. They don't cost you anything, especially important if you're just getting started on YouTube, and you can grab these and go. So definitely check out when you're looking for what to put into your video tag description, or even how to write out the description of your video. Look at some of these websites because they really help you get an idea of what to add and things you might not have thought about. And that's really what I'm trying to drive at here today, is these tools exist and you should try to use them to the fullest extent so that you can kind of get a leg up on the competition. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. We're just looking at how to generate tag ideas for YouTube videos. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.